Welcome back. Let's practice useful English sentences together. Make, present. I make breakfast every morning. I make breakfast every morning. I make coffee before work. I make coffee before work. I make dinner for my family. I make dinner for my family. I make a list before shopping. I make a list before shopping. Past. I made breakfast this morning. I made breakfast this morning. I made a cake yesterday. I made a cake yesterday. I made a mistake at work. I made a mistake at work. Future. I will make lunch tomorrow. I will make lunch tomorrow. I will make a new plan tonight. I will make a new plan tonight. I will make dinner for my friends. I will make dinner for my friends. Do, present. I do my homework after school. I do my homework after school. I do exercise every morning. I do exercise every morning. I do the dishes after dinner. I do the dishes after dinner. I do my job carefully. I do my job carefully. Past. I did my homework yesterday. I did my homework yesterday. I did the dishes after lunch. I did the dishes after lunch. I did a lot of work last week. I did a lot of work last week. Future. I will do my homework later. I will do my homework later. I will do exercise tomorrow morning. I will do exercise tomorrow morning. I will do the cleaning this weekend. I will do the cleaning this weekend. Use, present. I use my phone to call my friends. I use my phone to call my friends. I use a computer at work. I use a computer at work. I use a map when I travel. I use a map when I travel. I use English every day. I use English every day. Past. I used my phone last night. I used my phone last night. I used a map during my trip. I used a map during my trip. I used English at work yesterday. I used English at work yesterday. Future. I will use my computer tomorrow. I will use my computer tomorrow. I will use this app later. I will use this app later. I will use English when I travel. I will use English when I travel. Excellent work! You practiced make, do, and use. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next lesson.